Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is climate change, the long-term shift in temperatures driven by human emissions. By the end of this video, you'll know the causes, the consequences, and the main mitigation strategies. Climate change is a long-term shift in global temperatures and weather patterns. Since the Industrial Revolution, it's been driven mainly by human activity, burning fossil fuels, releasing carbon dioxide, and agriculture and waste, releasing CH₄. Atmospheric carbon dioxide has risen from about 280 ppm in 1850 to around 420 ppm today. Three things. 1. Main causes, burning fossil fuels and intensive agriculture. 2. The consequences, rising sea levels, more extreme weather, ecosystem disruption, ocean acidification. 3. Mitigation, renewable energy, electrification, reforestation, carbon capture, more efficient use. Common slip, confusing climate and weather. Weather is short term, today's rain. Climate is the long-term average, decades of data. Climate change is about the long-term shift in averages, not whether next Tuesday is sunny. Quick example. Pre-industrial atmospheric carbon dioxide of around 280 parts per million. Today, around 420 ppm, about a 50% rise, primarily from fossil fuel combustion. That extra carbon dioxide traps more heat, warming the planet by over 1 degree Celsius and rising. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic in each subject, with every answer fully worked and every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.